In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Clockify with Notion using Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you will have set up an automated workflow that connects these two powerful tools for better time management and organization. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Ensure that you have a valid account and are logged in. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your workspace. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to zapier.com. Zapier is the platform that will facilitate the integration between Clockify and Notion. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. After signing in, you will be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This option is typically found at the top of the page. After clicking, you will be taken to a new screen where you can start building your Zap. After that, click on the Zaps option in the left sidebar. This will take you to a section where you can manage your existing Zaps and create new ones. Look for a button that allows you to create a new Zap if necessary. In the search bar, type Notion to Clockify to find the integration template. This will help streamline the process by providing predefined settings. Select the relevant option that matches your needs. Next, click on the button labeled Start Building. This will allow you to configure your Zap. You will notice a new interface where you can set up triggers and actions for your automation. At this stage, you may need to wait briefly for Zapier to process your request and load the necessary components for setting up your Zap. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the processing is complete, click on Notion to select it as the trigger application. This action will lead you to a new screen where you can set specific triggers related to Notion. Follow this by clicking on New Data Source Item. This step is crucial as it defines the event that will initiate the automation. You will be prompted to set up the details for this trigger. After that, you will again click on New Data Source Item. Ensure that you are consistent with the settings to avoid any errors in the integration process. This repetition is part of setting up the complete workflow. Now, click on Account to connect your Notion account. You will be prompted to authenticate your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Next, click on Connect Notion. This action will link your Notion account with Zapier, enabling data transfer between the two applications. Confirm any permissions required during this process. After connecting Notion, click on Clockify to set it as the action application in your Zap. This step is crucial for defining what happens in Clockify when the trigger from Notion occurs. Proceed by clicking on Action Event. You will be presented with a list of available actions that Clockify can perform in response to the trigger from Notion. Choose the action that best fits your workflow. Now, click on Create Time Entry. This action will allow you to log time entries automatically in Clockify based on actions taken in Notion. Confirm your selection to move forward. Next, click on Create Task. This will enable you to create tasks in Clockify directly from your Notion entries. Ensure that all required fields are filled out correctly. In this next step, click on Account again to prepare for count, again to prepare for count. Similar to the earlier steps, you will need to authenticate your account. After that, click on Connect Clockify. This will finalize the connection between Zapier and your Clockify account, allowing for seamless integration. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.